Hello, this is Yunus Ali from edgepro.org. This is the 10th tutorial for complete beginners in programming core Java. In our last tutorial we have discussed about getting user input, and in this tutorial I am going to show you while and do while loops, and we are going to look at variable scope and multi-line comments. It's a really common task that gets assigned in Java, that you ask the user to enter some input and to loop until the user enters some particular input, say some number, and then keep asking them to enter a number until they enter a number. So suppose you say 5. So let us see how you would do that using a while loop. And as I told you in my previous tutorial, don't worry much about this syntax at this moment. Now let us go to Netbeans. As usual, I use Netbeans IDE. File, new project, Java application. Click next, and I am going to give it a name, project name as tutorial 10. And I am creating main class and naming it as tuna. Click finish. Okay. Now we have a new project, tutorial 10, and a class tuna. This is our main method. Now I am removing all these comments. The first thing I need is scanner object class. So let us start. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. Okay. You can see the error here just because we have not imported Java util scanner class file here. Just click here and add import Java util scanner. See, the error goes. Now I am going to give a sysout statement, system.out.println enter a number. Then I get the number to enter. I say enter the number, so I will get a number from the user. Okay. Int value is equal to scanner dot next int. Now I want to keep asking them to enter until they enter the number 5. So to do that, using the while loop, I could say while round brackets, I am giving it value less than 5. Now open and close curly brackets, do the loop, and in the loop I would have to say enter a number, and I have got to get the value again. So I am going int value, and I have to give a sys out statement here. System dot out dot println enter a number. We have declared scanner, sys.out enter a number. We are getting a number from the user. Int value we have giving while value we have specified it as less than 5. System.out enter a number. Now here value is equal to scanner dot next print now out of this curly brackets we have to give again sys statement. System dot out dot println got 5. So when the user gives input 5, this message will be displayed here. This is shown got 5. Now let us run this program. How it looks. Enter a number. 1 not correct, 2 not correct, 3 not correct, 4 not correct, 5 yes, got 5, and the program will close, stops here. So it works fine, but this is not an ideal way to do that, because I think you have noticed here system.out println statement, int value, again system.out println statement, again value. These two statements, these two and these two statements are looking identical. So it's not feasible. So practically it's not feasible. Now we can solve this issue with do while loop. Okay, using do while loop. I am setting this thing to scanner. Just I don't need this code now, that's why I have made this as a multi-line comment, as I promised just a few moments before. So how to define a multi-line comment? Multi-line comment starts from a / star to */. This is a multi-line comment, and this code no longer runs since it is a comment. Okay, this is our main method. Now again I need this one scanner, new scanner I need, so I will keep my comment from here. Okay, I need this one. Now int value. Okay, I want to show you one thing here. Scope variable. Okay, I am going to give directly do curly brackets do while loop looks like this. Do, it starts from here, your code goes here, whatever you want to code or you want to run the code, that code should be written in between. Okay, So I am giving one sys out statement, system.out.println enter a number. System.out println okay, enter a number. Now int value is equal to scanner dot next int. So we are getting one error here. This is why, because here, okay, I will also type the while condition, then I will explain that error. While round brackets value not equal to 5. Okay, now again we are giving system.out println statement. This is fine. Okay, see why we are getting this error. I want to explain this. You see an error in while statement that has to do with variable scope. That's the term I used in my starting explanation of this video. Variable scope, because when you declare a variable, for example, when you declare a variable value, okay, this int value or string, that variable only exists in curly brackets. That is, do curly brackets we are using, do this one and this one. So this variable is declared in between do curly brackets, okay, in which it is declared innermost curly bracket. These are innermost curly brackets, but our main method is starting here, so we have to declare all variables outside. We have not done here, that's why we are getting this error. Okay, to get around that, I need to declare in main method int. This is our main method. I will declare there int value is equal to 0. Okay, I have declared it outside, hence I don't need inside. I can just remove that int. It works for us fine. Hope you have understood. Since we have to declare variables in main method, instead of declaring variables in main method, we declare it in do statement. That's why we got an error. I have intentionally done that error because I want to show you variable scope. That means we have to declare variables in main method. Okay, I have declared the variable here, and once I have declared the variable, it's not necessary to provide it again, because variable will be declared only once. So I am not specifying int here, that's why I removed int. Okay, hope you are following me, guys. Now when I run this program, enter a number 1, enter, it's not correct. 2, enter, it's not correct. 3, enter, it's not correct. 4, enter, it's not correct. When I give 5, it says got it, I got 5, and the program terminates. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. If you want more free tutorials, visit edgepro.org. And in our next tutorial, we are going to look at switch statements. Till then, bye for now. Happy coding. Thank you.